Hey DIY fans, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you how to assemble a Craftsman plastic shelf. These shelves are great for adding extra storage space in a variety of settings. We'll go through it step by step with a bunch of tips to save you time and hassle. If you're a beginner, don't stress at all. I'll walk you through everything in plain English, making sure every step is crystal clear. And by the end, you'll have a sturdy shelf ready for your garage. It's a simple project that makes a big difference, or basement, or wherever you need extra storage. These shelves are versatile and can be used in so many different ways. First things first, open that box carefully and lay out all the parts. This will help you get organized and make the assembly process smoother. You should have 4 shelves, 8 vertical posts, and some connectors or feet, depending on your model. Make sure you have all the pieces before you start. It's always a good idea to check the instruction sheet for your specific shelf model, but honestly, these things are usually pretty similar in their basic construction. A really quick tip before you start: if you've got work gloves, put them on. Plastic edges can sometimes be a bit sharp, and trust me, your hands will thank you later for the extra protection. Also, try to assemble on a flat surface. The floor works great because it provides a stable base. Now grab 2 of the shelves and flip them upside down so you can easily insert the posts. Take 4 of the vertical posts and push them firmly into the corner holes of your first shelf. You might need to give them a gentle tap with a rubber mallet, but don't force it too hard. If it feels stuck, double check that you've lined up the grooves correctly. When all 4 posts are securely in place, carefully place the second shelf over the top, making sure to line up all the holes and then press down firmly. This locks the posts in place, creating a solid foundation and starts forming the frame of your shelf unit. Here's a pro tip. If you want perfectly even shelf spacing, use a tape measure to check the distance between the shelves as you go. Or if you're planning on storing taller items on a particular shelf, you can adjust the shelf heights accordingly as you build. Just plan it out before snapping everything permanently together. Repeat the process for the second tier. Add 4 more posts to the top of your last shelf, ensuring they are firmly seated. Then carefully press the third shelf down over those posts, making sure everything aligns correctly. You're basically stacking and snapping all the way up, building the shelf tier by tier. For the last shelf, some kits include feet or special caps. Just pop those on to finish the assembly and protect your floors. Before loading up your new shelf with all your stuff, give it a gentle shake to make absolutely sure that everything is secure and stable. If something feels wobbly or loose, double-check all the connections and press down firmly until you hear that satisfying click, indicating a secure fit. Last quick tip: to keep your shelf as stable as possible and prevent any accidents, always place heavier items on the bottom shelves and lighter stuff up top. That'll significantly help prevent tipping, which is especially important if you've got small children or curious pets around the house. And that's it. Your Craftsman plastic shelf is now fully assembled and good to go. This whole thing should only take about 15 minutes, maybe 20 at the most. Now you've got a more organized space and significantly less clutter to deal with. If this video helped you out in any way, please smash that like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly DIY guides and helpful tips. I'll catch you in the next video. Happy building and organizing.